see the flowers here? A red, a yellow, and a purple. I don't know what is a flower called, but I know the Chinese name. I don't know the English word. Let me turn it back. Let me turn it back. Wow, a big building. Let me see here. Yes, the breeze is blowing the flower. Oh, now it's me. Let me turn it back. It's blowing the flower. Right now is the late spring and early summer. It is a beautiful season of the year. I love late spring and early summer too. See the yellow and the red. Let's take the picture close to it. This is a yellow, and this is a red. Yeah, so that's very nice. Okay. So, do you like it? I like it. Thank you.